Ever noticed how you keep falling for the same type of guy? The one who promises the world but delivers nothing? Today, I'm going to show you how to be so aware in dating that you literally can't be played. Let's get into it. Know when he's not serious. Some guys just don't want to commit, and that's not your fault. You could be loyal, patient, and ride or die. But if he's not ready for something real, he will still waste your time. Stop thinking your effort will turn him into a better man. See the man as he is, not as you want him to be. Have standards. Seriously, just stop. People often fall for the hottest guy in the room or someone with great sex and ignore all the warning signs. Looks fade, chemistry dies, and suddenly you are stuck in a relationship that drains your energy and self-worth. Don't make excuses for them. Your time and happiness matter more than any temporary thrill. Action is louder than words. If he says, I was gonna do this, or I thought about calling you, that's not effort, that's an excuse. It basically means, I thought about being kind, then decided you weren't important enough. Honestly, that's worse than saying nothing at all. People who care don't just think about doing things, they actually do them. You shouldn't have to guess or remind someone to show up. Their actions will tell you how they feel about you. Hookups don't equal feelings. Just because he sleeps with you doesn't mean he likes you or even respects you. A lot of men separate sex from emotion completely, so don't mistake physical attention for emotional connection. So if he will hook up but won't date you, believe that message. He just doesn't see you that way. Trust your gut about other women. If there is a female in his life who isn't family and she makes you uncomfortable, listen to yourself. If he refuses to set boundaries or stop contact with her, move on. You will always feel second and nobody deserves that. Your intuition is your early warning system. Trust it. Check yourself first. Before you move in with someone, make sure you can still live and take care of yourself alone. You should never depend on someone else for your survival emotionally or financially. Move in with someone because you want to, not because you need to. If things go south, you don't want to end up stuck or regretting it. Independence is your safety net and it protects your peace. Stop trying to fix him. If he says, that's just how I am, believe him. Too many girls think, I can change him. No, you can't. You'll just end up exhausted trying to heal a man who doesn't even see a problem. Love versus attention. Know the difference. Some guys will keep you around just for the ego boost. They like the chase, not the connection. Don't mistake consistency for care, and don't depend on his validation to feel valued. Keep your own dreams, your hobbies, your identity. Love should add to your life, not replace it. Being alone is not the enemy. People act like being single is tragic. It's not. You know what's tragic? Being with someone who makes you feel invisible. Robin Williams said it best. The worst thing in life isn't ending up alone. It's ending up with people who makes you feel alone. Being single gives you space to heal, grow, and choose better next time. Build a life you love before anyone joins it. Don't pause your happiness waiting for the one. Travel, learn, grow, enjoy your life now. People who have their own life are the ones who attract real love, not the ones begging for it. And remember, you don't need to have your whole life together to be loved, but you should at least love yourself first. Nice doesn't always mean good. Some guys are nice to you but rude to everyone else. That's not kindness, that's performance. If he's kind to you but cruel to waiters, friends, or his mom, it's only a matter of time before that side hits you too. If he worships Andrew Tate, block and go. If he starts talking like a high-value male, you are not in a relationship, you are in a podcast episode. No woman wins that game. Don't argue, just exit. Check your own patterns. If every guy you date ends up being toxic, maybe it's time to look at what you're attracting. You can't control how others act, but you can control what you tolerate. You can't change every man, but you can change your standards. Heal first, and the kind of love you allow will change too. Don't play too hard to get. You know that if he really wants me, he will chase me mindset? Yeah, that's how you end up with the wrong kind of guys. But the ones who are actually serious, they won't waste time on someone who's playing hot and cold. they will move on to someone who communicates like an adult. So don't confuse playing hard to get with having standards. Awareness equals to power. Being aware doesn't make you cold, it makes you smart. You can love someone and still walk away when they stop treating you right. That's not being heartless, that's called self respect. Real power is knowing your worth and not settling for less just to keep someone around. You don't need to act enough, just stay aware enough that nobody gets a second chance to fool you. Don't fear rejection. Rejection isn't a failure, it's not an insult. It's just life telling you that it probably wouldn't have worked out anyway. It's actually a good thing because it saves you from investing time, energy, and emotions into the wrong person. The right one will come along, and by saying no, life is just clearing spaces for them. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. The next video is coming soon, and I think you guys will enjoy it.